Hi, this is Jeff Simon with Venom Power. Today we're going to be unboxing the Venom Commercial Series battery part number 35000 BMS. It is a 22 amp hour 6-cell battery. What you get inside the box is obviously the battery itself. You see that it does have yellow on all sides. Also included is your quality control tag, a couple of Venom decals, a Venom LiPo checker to be able to check the voltage in each cell of the battery when you get it. Also included is the instruction manual, a communication cable, and some extra Velcro straps. Now, diving into the battery and taking a closer look, on the front of the battery you can see that you've got your micro USB, followed by the CAN, SM bus, and then here in the center, these are your LED charge indicators, followed by the button that you press in order to check your charge. Also on here you have your JST-XH balance plug. And finishing out with the charge leads, on the negative side you have an XT150 connection, and on the positive side you have an AS anti-spark 150 plug. Many of the incredible features of this battery are not easily noticed at first glance. On board there's an 8 meg EEPROM chip that allows up to 14.5 hours of usage data to be logged on board the battery. Each of the communication ports, the USB, the I2C, and the CAN bus, are all individually isolated. These packs include many innovative safety features, including fault protection, logging, and the monitoring and storage and transmission of a wide variety of important variables. Information like cell voltages, pack voltage, current draw, battery temperature, state of charge, remaining capacity estimation, faults, cell over or under voltage, overcurrent during charge or discharge, short circuit during charge or discharge, over temp during charge or discharge, under temp during charge and discharge, or communication failures are all logged on board. In addition to that, battery lockout protocol prevents the battery from being charged if any one of the 4 lockout conditions is present. Those conditions are overvoltage if the battery shows more than 4.25 volts per cell, undervoltage if the battery shows more than 3.0 volts per cell, cell imbalance if any cell is in balance from another 0.2 volts or greater, or if the temperature is 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius or higher. If any of those conditions are present, the battery will not charge. When the Venom BCMS Ultra or Pro charge systems is paired with one of our BMS batteries, the potential for these systems is truly unlocked. Pulling the data captured and stored on Venom Commercial Series batteries, the Venom BCMS Battery Charging and Management System is able to produce feedback on battery health, historical usage, and notify users of faults and potential failures before they happen. From the utilization of anonymized data to drive fine-tuning of predictive analytic models and continual integration of user feedback, the benefits your operation will see from these systems are near limitless. Thanks for watching this video of the unboxing of the Venom 35000 BMS 22 amp hour lithium polymer battery. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, or if you're looking for additional details like specifications, please check out the detailed information in our description where you can find links to the manual for this battery and much more helpful information.